Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to import your certification from the Credly, then this video is for you. So if you are on Upwork, then you can do is you can simply click on your profile like in the top right corner, and you can find your profile. Simply click on it. Now you might go through the verification process like captcha in type of captcha here. So after that you can find your profile section where you can scroll down and you can find the certification where you can clearly find a button here, import from Credly. So you can do is simply click on this link here and it will redirect you to Credly on your browser. Now you have to do is you have to sign into your Credly account. So if you have made your account or open your account by manually entering your email address or password, then you can sign in by entering the credentials, or if you use your Google account or Apple account, you can also go with that. Now after that it will ask for the confirmation, then you have to confirm it and you have to choose the certificate that you want to add, then confirm that you want to add it to the Upwork. Then it will automatically import the certificate from here. Then like here it is actually redirecting me, it is a loop here. So just like here you can find in the certification this certification section, you can find the certificate that it just imported from Credly. Or you can do is you can also add it by manually. Simply click on it, you can select the certificate from here, then you can add the certificate from Credly also. You can also click on the plus icon, you can import it from the Credly also from here. So that's pretty much easy. And make sure that the certificate is available on your Credly account, that you will be able to add or import that certificate to your Upwork account. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Until next time.